consider about the WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco. So this is first international treaty, and it is the include the provision reducing demand for and supply. This is legally binding treaty. So only two is correct. So the first international treaty WHO is aimed to addressing the tobacco. That is true. WHO Framework Convention, and it was 168 signatory in this convention, and that was came in the 2005. Treaty contain the provision aimed to reducing the demand for tobacco and the supply for the tobacco through like of combating illicit trade, and this is legally binding on the parties that are ratified it, not all members. So जिन ने ratified किया what the person who ratified this treaty, this is for legally binding only for that person. That is not legally binding for all of the members of the state of UN. Okay, so this is the treaty which is not legally binding on the UN member. Okay, next is important of the frog and indicated the monsoon coke BHS 224. Frog survey indicator for ecosystem. 41% of wild frog IUCN red list is endangered. So frogs are endangered in category, and they are the indicator for the health also. So frog crucial indicator for ecosystem, and monsoon cloak will geology highlight that factor climate change and habitat loss, and 41% of the frogs are IUCN list endangered and documenting their present health in vital for the conservation. Recently indigenously developed the Rudra was news that was air to surface missile. So Rudra was the advanced air to surface missile developed indigenously by the India, representing a significant step for the nation. This missile is designed to enhance the Indian Air Force precision strike capability, enabling and engage a variety of the target. So the Rudra has a range of approximately 150 to 250 km, target for considerable from the launch platform. So the Rudra has range of the approximately 150 to 250 km. The missile is equipped with a sophisticated guidance system and both internal and navigation GPS system in imaging infrared. So it features the versatile warhead and capable of destroying a range of the targets. So this missile has been developed by the Defense Research Development Organization. Collaboration with other defense agency, it has undergone the rigorous testing. Several successful tests is given by this Rudra M2. The following fire safety regulation in India, it is provide the comprehensive guideline for construction maintenance of to ensure the fire safety. The Bureau of Indian Standard is responsible for the fire safety, so that is not true. So National Building Codes was India provide the comprehensive guideline and standard for the construction design maintenance, while Bureau of Indian Standards formulate and publish the standard for the regulation of the typically responsible local, not the BIS itself. BIS खुद नहीं करता है. It publish the standards for the enforcement of the fire safety, and this NBC includes the provision for the fire prevention, life safety, and the protection of the building. So this is the building code that was include the provision for the fire prevention and life safety. Local body and the fire department was based on this. Now process of the UN membership, its country must be recommended by the Security Council for General Assembly. The recommendation for the membership required the approval at least 9 Security Council members. The General Assembly must adopt the 2/3 of the member voting. So Spain, Norway and country must be receive the recommendation from the UN Security Council. Recommendation from the 15 Security Council members, and that was the unanimous agreement on the 5 permanent members. General Assembly must be adopt the Security Council recommendation by 2/3 member, and join the UN, submit an application to the Secretary General. The applying country must be peace loving, accept the obligation contained in the UN Charter. Now next one is a major part of the southwest monsoon rainfall is generated by the depressing originating in the Arabian Sea. Advance of the monsoon is much faster than the Bay of Bengal. So southwest monsoon, due to the southwest monsoon season is known the hot and wet season. Sudden onset, important feature of the southwest monsoon. Temperature fall drastically and humidity level rises in the monsoon, and low pressure condition prevail over the northern India due to the high temperature, and the atmosphere pressure increases steadily. So depression, intense low pressure will be there, and this intense low pressure, some depression developed overland also. 3 to 4 depression are formed per month. So almost all of the sucked inward through the deltas and great rivers. They need moisture to be alive. Ganga, Mahanadi, Godavari and the Krishna and the Kaveri cause the heavy rain in this area. Over the peninsular region, due to the pressure gradient between the north and south, wind blow in the southern and the northwest, and the advance of the monsoon is much faster in the Bay of Bengal than the Arabian Sea. The normal date of the arrival of the monsoon is 20 May in Andaman Nicobar, and the normal day onset of the southwest monsoon in the Kerala, the first place entry of the mainland in 1 June. And direction undergo a change in the Indo-Gangetic plain. There are many, they are moved from the east to west. This direction change in the Indo-Gangetic, that was east to west. And the pressure gradient between the north and south wind below the southwest to northeast direction on the Arabian Sea. So the normal date of the onset, that was Kerala 1st June, and you can see this is Pakistan, and this Arabian Sea, Arabian branch, and this monsoon is southwest monsoon, and this is coming southwest for the Bay of Bengal branch. And now there was in Nepal. Here is also monsoon and Bangladesh. Next is with reference to trade related aspect, intellectual. This was the negotiating during the 1986. It required the member country to make the patent available for the whole field of technology. It established the minimum standard of the protection that each government has to give to the intellectual property of the fellow WTO. So it required member country to make the patent available in all field of the technology. That is not true. So this WTO agreement, trade related aspect of intellectual property right, was 1886, introduced the intellectual property rule into the multilateral trading. It came into 1 January 95, and it is to date on most comprehensive agreement on the intellectual, and that was WIPO, and WIPO was working for the significant win country of the global south and for the India, which is mega biodiversity hotspot. So copyright related rights are the perform producers of the sound recording and broadcasting. Trademark including the service marks and geographical indicator was including the application of the origin. Industrial design and patent includes the protection of the new variety of the plant and the layouts. So this enforcement, the second main set of the deal with the domestic producers and the remedies for the enforcement. And the agreement makes the dispute between WTO members about the respect of the TRIPS obligations, and the agreement lay down the certain general principle to IPR enforcement. The agreement make the dispute between WTO, TRIPS, and the TRIPS agreement require member country to make patent available for the inventions in all field of technology, not without discrimination. 3 permissible exception to the basic rule of the patentability, and that was the patent in the TRIPS agreement require the member country to make the patent available for the inventions. One of the invention contrary to public order or morality. The second exception is that if there is a public order or morality, then that is not included. And the second exception is member may exclude from patentability diagnostic, therapeutic, surgical method. And the third is member may exclude plants and animal other microorganism, essentially biological process for production of plants animal other than non-biological and microbiological process. So these 3 are the exception. One is for the invention contrary to the public order and the morality. Second is for the diagnostic, therapeutical, surgical, and third one is for the plants and animal and microorganism. They are essentially for the biological process, for not for the non-biological. Irrawaddy river. So this Irrawaddy river is the longest river in the Myanmar. So it is the longest in the Myanmar. That is true. Originate from Tibetan plateau. So that is not true. So Irrawaddy river is indeed the longest river of Myanmar. Crucial water and transportation. Irrawaddy does not originate Tibet, but it originates from the confluence of the Mali river and Namai, northern Myanmar. So this longest river of the Myanmar, 2170 km. 3.6 billion Chinese backed dam is there is a junta revived the plants, and that was confluence of the Namai, the longest river of the Myanmar, and crucial transformation trade road of the Mandalay, and this support the rice cultivation and key source for the fresh water. Okay, so you see this is Myanmar and this is the Irrawaddy river. and this Mingun and Mandale and Yangbu, Iravadi, Saleh, Mangle and Thetmo. That's road of the Mandale and key source for the fresh water and support the livelihood. Director General of the Civil Aviation, it is non-profit organization. That is not true. It is can bar airlines to operate at a certain capacity. It investigate aviation accident and incident and responsible for the issue and licenses. Non-profit organization, that is not true. So Director General Singapore and that was London. It is a statutory organization, Indian central government to regulate the civil aviation, and that was investigate aviation accidents and incident, maintain all regulation related to the aviation. So it is statutory body for the central government to regulate the civil aviation. It was formed under the Aircraft Act and investigate the aviation accidents and the incident for the related to the responsible for the license. So that was the airlines to operate at the certain capacity. The Chola branch and the court Kalki is a Kaliya Nordana Krishna. Dancing Krishna, it is a idol represent the Lord Krishna for the serpent Kaliya. The idol of the significant example of the Chola branch craftsman for its for the artisan excellent. The depiction of the Kaliya Krishna was unique to the Chola period and not found in the other. That is not true. So this idol indeed is Lord Krishna dancing. In a well-known mythological episode of Krishna, the Chola bronze celebrated the idol detail of the artistic excellence, and it is while Chola period was famous for the high level of the craftsmanship. While Chola period was famous for such depiction, the motif when Kaliya Narthan Krishna is not unique to the Chola dynasty and can be found in other dynasty and as well. So this is given the depiction of Kaliya was unique to the Chola, that is and not found other, that is not true. Next, which is the following is main function of the World Trade Organization appellate body to address the grievance between its member by acting as a court of global trade, that is true, and to discuss matter concern affecting the global economy, that is not true, and promote the international financial stability, that is not work, it is work of the IMF. So appellate body that was in 1995 and WTO membership including Brazil, Canada, European Union urged India to submit timely reports. WTO member dispute arise between the members and that is the key objective is to address the grievance between the members. An appellate body can uphold or modify the reverse legal findings and conclusions. So appellate body reports are adopted by dispute settlement body. An international monetary and the financial committee that was discussed the matter of the concern affecting global economy, advised the IMF on the directions it work promoting the international finance stability, and world provides that was it help in the including the long-term capital for improving balance of payment, promoting international financial stability and the matters of the concern affecting the global economy. Next, which is the following correct regarding the astronomical transient? They are temporary celestial events that can be vary in the brightness or position. That is true about the astronomical transition. Astronomical transient is a temporary celestial phenomena, and this transient may not permanent, but it is nature of the unpredictable. This steady light emission stars is characterize their regular life cycle, not the transient events. So transient is a celestial body brightness changes. There are many kinds of the astronomical transients, all them united five phenomenal. And next one is factor 8, that is treatment of the hemophilia. So this factor 8 is a protein involved the blood clotting coagulation. It play crucial role in intrinsic pathway of blood coagulation. So factor 8 act as a cofactor for the factor conversion of the factor 10, and this is process essential for formation of the fibrin and the stabilize the blood clotting. Treatment of this was patient hemophilic lack of sufficient factors replacement therapy help prevent the control of the bleeding, and factor is also used in the certain case of the Wildbrand disease and other bleeding disorders. So now this is for the hemophilia. And next is the electronic vertical takeoff landing. So this is aircraft use the electrical power and this designed for high altitude and long distance. This is for the included distributed electrical propulsion, integrates the multiple motors, and it is mainly intended for the urban air mobility and emergency medicine services. So 2 is wrong. Actually it is designed for high altitude. That is not true. Electrical power is true, include the electrical propulsion and intended to urban mobility such as the air taxi and the medical services. So electrical vertical takeoff landing, and that is use the electrical power and takeoff. So it is one of the newer technology for industry. E-Plan company IIT Madras plan to launch the e-flying taxi in Bengaluru. It is a low altitude urban air mobility aircraft. They can be reached the speed of the 200 km per hours, and they can be the 200 km per hours, and this is user distribution electrical propulsion technology. This is the technology that has been on the account of success in the electrical propulsion, and that is future prospect was eVTOL flying taxi 2026, rapid global research and development and design for the quite urban flights. So electrical aircraft, that is the electrical takeoff, roll, electrical motors, and the luggage hold, VTOL, and pilot for the 4 passengers, front rotors. It's electrical vertical takeoff landing is structured, and this is a capable. And civil aviation minister is speaking about the 7th edition of the India conclave in the Bengaluru. Okay, so this is in the Bengaluru. Next, which is the following release a travel tourism development index? So that was World Economical Forum. So the it is 2nd edition of the index, flagship index for the World Economical Forum, and University of the Surrey with the input of the leading travel tourism measure the set of the factor policy enable to the sustainable resilient use. India is the rank 39 and highest South Asia. India's new ranking is notable improvement in 54 position in the 2021. So an overall index was 7, and where 1 is worst and 7 is best. The biennial index 119 countries are there, evaluating the range of the factor. And India is the 39th rank in the travel and tour. You can see this is the ranking. First ranking is the United States America, second is Spain, third is Japan, and पाकिस्तान की रैंकिंग 101 है, श्रीलंका की 76 है, इंडिया इन द 39 रैंक. Consider the following regarding National Security Council Secretariat. So it is a National Security Council which is headed by the Prime Minister. That is true. It is primarily for the judicial oversight. That is not true. It is coordinate with various security intelligence agency. That is true. Okay, so it is crucial body in the India response for the advising the Prime Minister on the matter of the national security. Its functions are under the National Security Council with the headed by the Prime Minister. Recently, Department of Telecommunication planned to approach this approach for the clarity, and this provided satellite advice to the National Security Council, and that was assist the formulation of the policy related to the national security and ensure their implementation. So now that was a National Security Advisor, this head by, and it is Principal Advisor to Prime Minister, and Deputy National Security Advisor. They assist the various specialized areas. National Security Advisor are the head of the Principal Advisor of Prime Minister, and they assist various specialized area of the defense intelligence and not responsible for the judicial oversight. It is the technology that enable the direct communication between the brain and external device. That was the brain computer interface. So that was direct communication between the brain and the external device. It is bypass traditional neuro circular pathway and neurolink. So aim to develop the high bandwidth brain making and human and computer. The technology involved the implanting the device in the skull facilitate direct communication between the brain. So that was signal processing. Brain signal detected by the sensors and the translate to the action and translate such as the computer, robotic and limb, neurological disorder and stroke rehabilitation. Ethical concerns are the privacy and the neurosecurity, and assistive technology which is the paralysis and the motor impairment and artificial limbs, And equity and accessibility, medical, therapeutical use, this is also the ethical concern. Which is the best describe the rangelands. Rangelands, that is new natural, semi-natural ecosystem by livestock or the wild animal they are grazing, and this is the rangeland. Rangeland. So the rangeland category of the cover consists mostly natural grassland used by the livestock, and this vegetation range include the tall grasses, steppe, desert, shrub and shrub woodland. This rangeland is wild open space that was covered the earth land surface. So this is livestock and wildlife habitat, water, mineral and resources, wood. So these are the important economical engine in the many countries and define the home to the 1/4 of the world languages, and now they are also world heritage sites. And this is small scale herder rich farmers are now these 2 billion people, small scale herders and the ranchers, offer the poor and marginalized depend on the healthy rangeland worldwide. Now the Convention on the Biological Diversity was adopted 92 Earth Summit, Rio de Janeiro. The Convention on Biological Diversity is an international legal instrument for the conservation of biological diversity. The Aichi target was adopted by the Convention on Biological Diversity and its Cartagena conference. That is not true. So 26th meeting of the subsidiary, and that was the Convention on Biological Diversity, Montreal. The 92 was the Earth, Rio de Janeiro. Sustainable Development Meeting needs ensuring the healthy life, and one of the agreement adopted the convention, that was the conservation of biological diversity, sustainable use and benefits utilizing genetic. Aichi target was adopted for the biological diversity, and that was the Nagoya, not the Cartagena. Short plan toward the 20 amphibians and achievable targets. That was the strategic goal address the underlying the curse of biodiversity. Strategic goal was reduce the direct pressure. Strategic goal to improve the status of the biodiversity and ecosystem. Next, consider regarding the Himalaya ibex. Himalaya ibex and the blue sheep are major prey. The population of the snow leopard has decreased due to the decline in numerous Himalaya, and the increase in population of Himalaya ibex has led to the boost the wildlife tourism. So all of the three are true. One is incorrect and two is incorrect, one is correct. So population of snow leopard decreased due to the decline in the ibex. That is not true. It is a sheep and major in the snow leopard. Blue sheep are major prey of the snow leopard. That is true. The increase the population of Himalaya ibex and blue sheep led to the boost the wildlife tourism. That is true. So wildlife tourism is से बड़ा है. The Himalaya ibex is blue sheep indeed major prey for the snow leopard, which is classified the vulnerable in the IUCN. So snow leopard के लिए prey होता है, and that is Himalaya ibex, and that is vulnerable in the IUCN, and its population is decreasing. Okay, wild tourism is true actually. Local involvement, conservation efforts and ecotourism. Wildlife tourism increasing due to the Himalaya ibex. It impacts the tourism of Lahaul Spiti. Which is correct regarding importance of evaluating the environment footprint. So evaluating the footprint help understanding the impact of consumption, basic needs of local resources. Okay, so the local impact and policy relevance and climate change for scarcity, focusing on local environment issue the crucial and comes to the importance of understanding of the environment footprints. So environment footprints are the consumption of the household on the local resources, including CO2 emissions, water use and particulate matter 2.5 emission. So this is okay. Now next, which is the following correct regarding environment challenges? Himalaya, forest bleach and the deforestations are the environment issue in the Himalaya. So this is the Himalaya region face the significant challenges such as forest bleach and deforestation. Himalaya are the prone to seismic activity and infrastructure project require comprehensive environment clearances. So that was environment impact assessment. Consequences of proposed implement the measure to mitigate the negative impact, and regulations and the court intervention aim to balance the development needs and protection of the fragile ecosystem. Which is correct regarding the habitat flamingo, and flamingo primarily inhabited the saline or alkaline lake and the coastal lagoon. So that is for the coastal lagoon. So flamingo is a habitat in the saline and alkaline coastal lagoon, provide the main source for the food, and their specialized and filter feeding mechanism. They are found in the part of the Africa, Asia, and flamingo filter and primarily consume the algae and plankton. So this is they are their specialized break to filter food from the water, process that also help to maintain their pink coloration due to the carotenoid pigments, and they are found in part of the Asia, America, and southern Europe. Consider the methanol. It is produced renewable without any pollution, and it is promising the alternate to fossil fuel in area where the decarbonization is major challenge, such as the maritime transport. So, green methanol project involve the capturing the carbon, demonstrate the technology for firing and higher percentage of the stored biomass. Green methanol is method that is produced renewable and without polluting the emissions. Okay, so this is chemical compound can be used as a low carbon liquid, promising the fossil fuel in area where the decarbonization is major challenge. Next is the following nuclear fuel got prominence under the conventional fuel. Low operating cost, power from the nuclear fuel can be generated at any time. It is has zero carbon emission, low energy intensity. That is not true. So nuclear fuel got prominence, low operating costs, power from the nuclear fuel, and it has a zero carbon emission, low energy intensity. That is not true. So although the building low cost energy cheap to produce, it is relatively cheap to produce energy from them, and they have low operating cost. So that is nuclear power plant. It is a low operating cost. Also nuclear power doesn't experience the same kind of price fluctuations. Zero carbon emission, and nuclear power reactor do not produce any carbon emission, and it is a reliable, and nuclear power plant can be produce energy non-stop, and no one will have to experience any delay in the energy production. High energy density, promising future energy supply. Okay, now next is consider the X chromosome. So Klinefelter syndrome is an X chromosome, and Turner syndrome is loss of the one chromosome. Red-green color blindness is X-linked trait for the primarily affect the female. So next one is Klinefelter syndrome. It is X and X, so that is true. And Turner syndrome, that was a result loss of the X chromosome from the female. Various physical development of the condition, that is true. Red-green blindness, that is X-linked trait that primarily affect the males, not the females. So red and green, that is affecting the males. So X-linked genetic disease, that is the 500 X-linked disease are there, and X chromosome aneuploidies, that is disorder in the Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, numerical abnormalities, and disease in the female, that is different. That is not the red-green. Okay, now next one is management survive was in news, the Copernicus emergency management. So it is Copernicus geospatial information of the satellite and remote sensing. The Copernicus rapid mapping service provide the map for the anywhere in the world. So that was the component of the European Union Copernicus program. It is utilized the satellite remote sensing and in situ data, detailed mapping, analysis, and remote sensing in situ resources to help the manage the natural disasters. Rapid mapping under the Copernicus designed to provide the maps, and analysis provide the map for the support the emergency response, and include the rapid mappings module for the mappings like first estimate and delineation of the product. Now next one is consider about the floating baby coral. Floating baby coral are that of the float dispersed over the long distance of the ocean. The phenomena was the floating baby coral, crucial mechanism for the genetical diversity of the coral. So this is okay. Now next one is the recently R21 vaccine, that is for the malaria. R21 vaccine, that is for the malaria. So Serum Institute of the India vaccinated by the significant milestone with the shipment of the first set of the Matrix M1 and R21. Its vaccine has been approved for use in the children 5 to 36 months, and vaccine was 80% successful in clinical trial. Burkina Faso when administered in 3 initial, and the first major vaccine was being approved The first time the major basin been approved in the African country, and Ghana become the first country to approve this basin. Next one is which is correct about the reason of the water loss in Venus. So the loss of the water in the Venus is primarily due to the proximity to the sun and resultant high temperature. So the loss of the water is primarily it is proximity to the sun, and volcanic eruption on the Venus did release gases, but they are not primary reason of the water loss. But thick atmosphere rich in the carbon dioxide and strong greenhouse effect is also contributing to the high surface temperature. Venus had enough water, and early history it covered the surface with the ocean of the 3 kilometer. Okay, and Venus has a 3 kilometer deep ocean also. So this 30 question.